Okay, this is a 2036 Blanchard. This has the full ring on it. Wheel, full ring wheel. It's a picture of the magnet. Picture of the internal guards. There's a small hole on the inside of that guard. And there's also a small hole at the bottom of the end guard. There's a picture of the internal components of the panel. We'll go around to the front of the machine. Okay, Rod, let's we'll show the magnet under power. Okay, now demag. All right. We'll start off by powering up the spindle first, so you can hear the spindle running. And now we'll start the magnetic chuck rotation. Okay, go ahead and bring the saddle in underneath the wheel. And go ahead, we'll start the down feed on it. We'll run the rapid down. Okay, we'll run the rapid up. All right. Now we're going to change the table speeds. It's running in, what's it running in right now? 18. We're going to change the table speeds. Rod, you can stop the spindle if you want. The spindle does have a brake on it. Okay, and now we're going to change the table speeds. This is 6. $25. What'd you say, 9? 9. $12. $23. $33. And that's it. Alright, that's your way lube for your bedways. This is a picture of the inside of the coolant tank. I don't know if you can see that real well. There's your chuck control, nutrifier controls. And there you have it. This is a 2036 Blanchard, serial number 20-15-239.